Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Welcome to Instant Nerd. Today, I will teach you how to start a seller account on Fiverr. It is an easy process, which I will guide you through in a step-by-step manner. So first thing, let's open the browser and get on the Fiverr website. Sign in if you have not already. After that, click on your profile on top right. From the list of options, click on Become a Seller. It will load up another page. Again, click on this Become a Seller button. It will then redirect you to another page. Read all the details on the following page carefully before you click on Continue. Do the same for this page too. And one more time, click on Continue. Now, you see you will have to fill up all these fields to sign up as a Fiverr seller. Once you are done filling up the details, you will see this account security page. Verify your email and phone number, which remains private, to strengthen your account security. After that, you can continue and start creating your first gig. Well, that's it. If you want to get started right away, click on the link in the description. You may also find the relevant links pinned in the comments. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you found this video useful, and make sure to subscribe for more useful freelancing tips.